National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jackson County, northwestern Lafayette County, southwestern Ray County until 3:15 p.m. At 2:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Tapalongo and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. At 2:28 p.m., the public reported half-dollar size hail 3 miles south of Raytown. At 2:30 p.m., the public reported penny size hail 3 miles south-southwest of Raytown. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Butler, Richmond, Lexington, Sibley, Levacy, Warwick, Wellington, Henrietta, Napoleon, Fleming, and Camden. This will impact the following interstates. Interstate 70 between mile markers 11 and 24. Interstate 470 between mile markers 12 and 16. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Jackson, Lafayette, and Ray. Significant